CFRN. So let's get started with this. Hang on. Here we go. We'll start with this. All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Monday, the 27th day. The 27th day of January, 2020. If you have not taken a free trial with us, go down here to where it says free 5-day trial, no credit card required. Click on that, or this right here, user proprietary indicators free. You can click on that. Either one of those is going to bring you to this page. On this page, all we ask for is your name, your email, and your phone number. You can tell us your biggest trading challenge so we can tailor one-on-one training specifically for you if you want to, and you hit the send button, and then you'll be sent a confirmation link. You must click on the confirmation link. Okay? If you don't click the confirmation link, we don't know that you took the free trial, so you got to hit that confirmation link. Okay? Okay. Get into the results. This spreadsheet goes back over 7 years now. If you're going to read the spreadsheet, you could read all the CFTC risk disclosures down at the bottom. Today is the 27th day, as I said, of January 2020. Today we lost 6 ticks on crude. We made 25 ticks on gold, and we made 8 ticks on the ES. Put us up 290 on the morning session. Okay, 290 on the morning session. Today it took 6 minutes and 1 trade to get to the goal for the day. At that point, we're up $100 a contract, and we took a total of 13 trades this morning. So on the month now, we're up $2,187. That's over 15 days, averaging $145 per day. Same thing on the year. Okay. So let's go over what did or didn't happen this morning. Now, I'm just going to show you this. There were huge gaps yesterday or last night. And those gaps still have to be filled. They're not filled yet. They still have to be filled. So I'm looking for all that to happen. But on the gold, hang on. On the gold this morning, let's see. This was our first trade right here. We picked up 10 ticks on our first trade. Okay. Then the next trade. Yeah, the next trade was 5 more ticks. Then I missed this one, which was the shorting opportunity. Would have been a break even. Then the next trade was 5 more ticks. And the next trade, 5 more ticks. And so I started off with 10. And then I was just picking away at it with 5 ticks at a time. And we ended up with plus 25 on gold this morning. Okay, I missed this trade here as well, which would have been a break even had I gotten into it. I missed this one right here, which would have been a nice win had I gotten into it. And I ended up with a break even on this one right here. Now, when we got into the break here, see, this whole period right here was the break. And the markets were just a mess. They were just a mess. Okay. Let me go here. Now, on the euro, we didn't do anything with the euro this morning. It looks like it's setting up an opportunity right now, but it's not there yet. And if we go to a larger time frame, see the euro didn't have a gap. Where everything else had a gap, the euro failed to gap. It did have this huge wick right here, though. But that was last week. And we didn't have anything today on the euro. On crude oil, Let's take a look at crude. Well, let's go here to larger time frame first. I'll show you the gap there. You see this right here is the gap on crude. So crude needs to get back up to 54.18, roughly. Yeah, needs to get back up to 54.18. So let's go here to this. Hold on a sec. Okay. Well, let's scroll back. We'll take a look. You see in the pre-market, when there's huge activity in the pre-market like there has been today, usually the markets are going to be pretty messy afterward. We missed the first trading opportunity right there. Then here we picked up 2 ticks, and there we missed that trading opportunity right there, which would have been a nice trade. Then we stopped out on this one. We grabbed a couple more break evens over here. I think there was another one, yeah. One more break even. Now crude was trending and it was moving, but at the beginning of each trend started out pretty slow, and that's why we ended up with so many break evens. Then we get into the break, and during the break, let's see, there was nothing there. Well, actually, during the break, you probably could have shorted right here. We did get a lower swing off that prior swing. Okay, that's where the prior swing was. And we did get a lower swing. So you could have shorted right in here, taking a short right there on that move down. Since then, the only trade setup is actually happening right now. Since then, it'd be a long trade from right here. Okay, but that was it on crude. We ended up with -6 on crude today. Okay, and on the ES, look at this during the break. This has just been horrible during the break, but we did get some opportunity this morning. Come on, load up. The ES, let's look at the larger time frame really quick. See, it had a huge gap too. So the ES and crude need to go up to fill their gap, and gold needs to go down to fill its gap. But neither one of them are there yet. And my rectangle just flipped around. Okay, so we started out here and we're moving up and moving up. And there was one trade right here that I didn't get into. It would have been a break-even trade if I'd have actually gotten into it. Then it started going sideways, and then we had a shorting opportunity right here. That didn't work out, and then when all this was happening right here, I was saying I think this is just going to be a head fake, and it was actually a head fake, and price started to go up. But up here, there was a long opportunity right here that would have been a break even right there if I'd have gotten into it, but I didn't. And then it started coming back down. Now the markets have just been crazy today with those huge gaps. You know, you anticipate trying to get that off my hand. With those huge gaps, you anticipate that they're going to be filled and that the market is just going to trade in that direction. But with this coronavirus thing, they've just been unpredictable. So as I always say, just trade what's in front of you. Okay. There was opportunity here. We picked up 4 ticks. We missed that one. Then we picked up 4 more ticks right there. And then we get into the break. And as I showed you a minute ago, during the break, the markets were just a total mess. You could be long right now on the ES because we broke this dynamic resistance. Okay, so you could be long from right here at 52.25. Your stop would be a break even right now. If you didn't get into it, you shouldn't get into it. Okay, it's one of those. All right. Let me go and see who all is in here. Okay. So that was it for the morning session, guys. There's a short here going on gold right now, and a long that just happened right there on the ES. And that was it for the morning session. So let's go back here. Look at the spreadsheet again. If you're gonna read the spreadsheet, you gotta read all the CFTC risk disclosures down at the bottom. Today is the 27th day of January 2020, and today we lost 6 ticks on crude, made 25 on gold, and 8 on the ES. Put us at plus 290 on the morning session. Today it took 6 minutes and 1 trade to get to the goal for the day. At that point, we're up $100 a contract, and we took a total of 13 trades this morning. So on the month and on the year, we're up $2,187 per contract. That's over 15 trading days, averaging 145 per day. Okay, that's on the month and on the year. Now, if you have not taken a free trial with us, you just need to go here to the homepage at CFRN.net. Go to the homepage at CFRN.net, and where it says free 5-day trial, no credit card required, or use our proprietary indicators for free, click on either one of those, and it's going to bring you to this page, EminiTradingSchool.com. On this page, all we ask for is your name, your email, your phone number. And you can tell us the biggest trading challenge so we can tailor one-on-one training specifically for you. Hit the send button. Once you hit that send button, you'll be sent a confirmation link. You must click on the confirmation link. Okay. If you don't click on the confirmation link, we don't know that you took the free trial. So you got to do that. Okay. Okay. Now, does anybody have any questions? Because John's not in here. Dwayne's not in here. Oh, nope, Dwayne's showing up right now. Okay. Well, John's still not in here. But if anybody has any questions, now's a good time to ask. You see that ES one worked out just fine right here. It would have been from right there. And gold would have been a break even at this point. That would have been a short from right there. Okay, and that would have been on a close below this trend line. Right here. Well, on the trend line. Really. Okay, and over here on the ES now, it's starting to set up another long opportunity right there. Okay. I know Dwayne's trying to show up. he's got to get all his systems running. Okay. So that's what it's looking like right now.
All right, buddy, I'm ready.
Okay. There was just an echo on my side.
Was it?
Weird. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
You hear it now?
No, I don't. It went away.
Okay.
Right.
All right. So while you're still here, a recap of the recap.
Today it took 6 minutes and 1 trade to get to the goal for the day. At that point, we're up $100 per contract.
Good. All right.